Hi, this is Dirk from V Auto Sales. I'm going to start up our 75 K10. Had a 400 in it originally. Somebody replaced it with a big block. That's a Boss V Plow on it. Try to show you it working. Right down here, down. Goes kind of slow, I don't know why. Runs on a film system. There's your left going back and forward. Probably needs a little work. Hasn't been used since '06, or hasn't been titled since '06, or licensed. Licensed is the word. You can see it's got good oil pressure. Maybe a little bit of mess to it. Probably just needs to be drove, but I'm selling it as is, where is. A little bit of mess, a little squealing when you use a plow, but it is a Boss V Plow 7.5 footer. So 454 automatic, 4-wheel drive. 605-695-7391.